75? What's the wind blowing thing? Skysword. She doesn't fly. And
I can when I fly.
It's too cold for the people.
Shut up, dude. Leave her alone. Don't hurt her feelings.
It's too chilly.
Oh, it's a little nipply out here.
Yeah. She's getting goosebumps. Look at.
Dude, you're flying so far away, I can't even see where the fuck it is. There it is. I like that sound though, listen to it.
The whistling sound is pretty nice.
Listen to that. Oh, you did, you're right.
It's no longer a plane. It's a plane.
Might have to put elected friggin' big red doll on it. Beautiful doll. I might have to go give it some love.
Listen to that plane, man. Alright, I'm ready. You still got time, Brandon? Alright.
Dude, that thing's pitching sideways.
It always does.
Are you drifting or
No, that's just what it does. I just make sure to go fast so you can't tell.
what?
Huh? Take it off!
I'm out of the state.
Let's go, baby! Whee! Skysword! She flies fierce! Not into the sun, damn it.
That was like a
Skysword!
Put it in raised blood over there.
Oh, come on now.
You can do it? Fly up behind it. Refuel.
Oh, God. Look at Bob.
Time remaining.
Are you recording
Just for that, yes. Just for that, you got a nice close pass. No, that's staying. That is Frank. Woo!
That P-51 sounds good.
It does. I heard. It's because you took that gear off. The gear door off.
I have one of those third whistles on it. No,
God fucking yeah! You flying at me for? What'd I do to you?
I just want to play. You better be careful.
Skysword gonna bite ya!
Yeah. Put it in your culo.
Oh, stop it!
Time remaining.
Doesn't do things like that. All right, Frank. Let me join up with you.
You're doing what?
Let me join up with you.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Let me join up with you.
Oh. Do a nice refuel.
Stop it, Bob.
I'm gonna be further out.
Okay.
Big pot's nice though in the air.
Avoid that damn sun. Frank, I like your afterburner, man. Don't get too slow.
God, I told my granddaughter this is for you. She'd have loved that.
Following you.
30 seconds.
Oh, because of the down thrust?
We got one guy in our club here from Pfizer.
I think I posted that video, Brandon.
Time remaining 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8,
10 seconds. Okay, one more pass and I'm done.
5, 4,
Go.
2,
So that's a 6.
1. Time expired.
That's the bomb diggity right there. Beautiful, Frankie. Skysword! No, I'm not. No, I'm just I'm just following close. I'm just following close. What the hell? I wasn't gonna do it. Yeah. Oh, come on. Don't be doing that. No, I didn't do that. He did that. He did that. I didn't do that. Get that out of there. Now it's all crooked thanks to you. Ass fall off to the side. We already know it's not straight.